Hey guys, in this video we're going to take that bale that we were working on. Now that our picture is good and dry, we're going to sand all around it real good, sand the edges real good to make them smooth, and even sand the picture itself. There, we're just sanding all around it to give it even more distinction. Okay, now we're going to mix us up. You know, I was talking about that pink color. I just had a thought. I'm going to mix up the copper metallic and the white paint, and then that'll give me the kind of pinkish looking kind of color I was looking for. So we're going to mix that up real good, and well, not real good because I left it kind of spotty. I didn't mix it up to where it's one solid color. Then we're just going to brush it on the top. I was just pouncing my brush off there, but then we're going to brush it all around the sides, but not try to get any kind of full coverage. We're still just going to do a light brushing. That's why I got me a piece of plastic there that I could stamp my brush off on. I didn't use the fan brush so that we wouldn't have like streaks. It'd be more like a dry brush using this brush. I'm just going to get it all around. Then I'm going to brush it even on the edge of the picture and then up there at the top. Make sure that it all blends in together. And what we're doing, we're creating a blend of the color that we put around our picture with the color that we're leaving our bale. And I even brushed a little bit over the actual picture. And I went back and done a little bit more on the top so it'd just be a little bit lighter. It turned out so stinking cute, guys, and just watch. And then we're going to take, I wanted to bring out just a touch more of that black. So I took my sanding block and just kind of went around it and just in odd places and just brought a touch more of that black. And look there. It turned out so stinking cool and looks old. Thanks for watching.